You are going to love the 2015 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, auto headlight on/off, power tailgate, power sunroof, navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.